In this video, we're going to show you in more detail adding the clamps to the crossbar of the jigs. So you have your two clamps that come out of the box like this. You'll have your dumbbell screws, and you need the 3mm tool. In order to get it onto the crossbar, first we're going to take off the screw. You don't have to take it off entirely, but you can. And we're going to do that just in case. So we're going to unscrew the whole thing. You'll see that there's a washer that comes out, a screw that also has a washer on it. So these are your elements of the two parts. Now the two parts of the clamps, you'll see one with a flat dish and one with a rounded bowl-like. So the washer goes in the bowl and the screw goes into the flat top. We've got the clamps and we're going to take the one with the screw, the flat top one. I'm going to just pop that in the top here. Take a dumbbell, unscrew it, drop it into the back hole here. Okay, take the bottom clamp. Now right now I've got the washer in there. It doesn't matter if it's in there or not. I'm going to put that in underneath, line them up. Make sure it goes into there. And put the bottom washer on, bottom nut. Tighten them down. Okay, then you can take the washer, pop it into the slot there for it, and line up the screw. And get them to catch. And they start closing up. Okay, do that with the other one as well. Okay, on the second one, make sure that the sides are still the same, so you want both screws facing up. When you put them into the slot. Okay, same thing with the dumbbell. Drop it in. Make sure that this slot is up, not this way. Make sure this is going to go into the bottom here, into the hole. Okay, and put the other nut. Tighten them down. You can tighten from both directions. Okay. And I've got the hemisphere nut. Pop that in. Okay, we are. To adjust the clamps for clamping a knife, the first thing you want to make sure is that there is no tension on the actual clamps themselves here. So we're going to undo the screw. You don't have to loosen it so it comes out. Just loosen it so it's loose. You'll feel it loosen up. Okay. Then we're going to loosen up the dumbbell by unscrewing both sides. Then you can scoot along wherever you want it to be. Tighten the dumbbells down. Tighten the dumbbells down. Then when you're ready to clamp, just clamp it in tight.